Iconic singer-songwriter Joni Mitchell is set to make her highly anticipated Grammy performance debut. After a legendary career spanning decades, Mitchell will finally take the stage at the 2024 Grammy Awards. The prestigious event is scheduled to take place on Sunday, February 4th, at the Los Angeles Crypto.com Arena. This long-awaited performance comes as exciting news for Mitchell's fans and music enthusiasts alike. Known for her profound lyrics and soulful melodies, Mitchell has left an indelible mark on the industry and has been influential to countless artists. The Grammys, which honors excellence in the recording industry, is the ideal platform for Mitchell to showcase her extraordinary talent. The event has long been recognized as one of music's most prestigious awards ceremonies, attracting the biggest names in the industry. While Mitchell has received numerous Grammy nominations throughout her career, this will be her first time performing at the esteemed event. Fans can expect a captivating and unforgettable performance as she takes the stage, delivering her timeless classics and likely surprising the audience with some new material. The choice of the Los Angeles Crypto.com Arena as the venue further adds to the excitement surrounding Mitchell's debut. The renowned arena has a rich history of hosting iconic music events, and its state-of-the-art facilities will provide the perfect backdrop for Mitchell's performance. As the anticipation grows, fans and music lovers can't help but wonder what songs Mitchell will choose to perform. With a discography full of beloved hits like Big Yellow Taxi, Both Sides Now, and A Case of You, fans are eager to see which classics she will bring to life on stage. Additionally, Mitchell's latest work, released in 2023, has been met with critical acclaim, raising expectations for a potential sneak peek at her new material during the performance. Joni Mitchell's impending Grammy performance debut marks a significant milestone in her already illustrious career. Her undeniable talent, coupled with the Grammy's prestigious stage, promises an unforgettable night for music fans worldwide. As February 4th approaches, the excitement continues to build, and audiences eagerly await the magic that Joni Mitchell will undoubtedly bring to the 2024 Grammy Awards.